If you're looking to skip ahead to the access control list and configuration, that starts at about the 2-minute and 20-second mark. The switch is powered on and booting. The timer is in the top right corner. The way this works is we are going to interrupt the boot sequence by pressing Control and the right bracket key when the switch is loading the system image. This will get us into the bootloader mode where we can run some limited commands, including resetting the admin password. After we modify the admin password, we are able to tell the switch to boot the system image. Once it boots, we are able to log in with the admin account and the new password we set. Surprisingly, these switches were sold on eBay without being wiped, so we're able to review a live production configuration from a large organization. This is the point where you want to press the Control and right bracket key right when it says checking file system. That will get us into boot mode, which we see here. Next, we're going to type configure terminal, or config T for short. That gets us into config mode, where we can type admin-password space and then choose our new password. Type exit to exit config mode. Once we have the new admin password set, we need to boot the switch. So first we're going to take a look at the directory contents of the boot flash, and after that, once we know the file name of the system image that we need to boot, we're going to go ahead and tell it to boot that image with the load boot flash command. Going to speed this up a little bit. It takes about 2 minutes to load the system image. Almost there, and there we are at the login prompt. Go ahead and get logged in here with the admin user and the new password that we set. And then we'll go ahead and do a show run and run through the config real quick. Alright, got a pretty hefty access control list here. Several entries in there. Run through that. Got some fabric extensions there. Got tons of VLANs, all labeled nicely. Interfaces all labeled nicely. Yeah, pretty nice and big detailed config. Should be able to go through this slowly at your own time and learn some things from this, hopefully. I'll throw a link to this bad boy access control list down in the description there, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.